What's going on, traders? This is Mike with Tactical Traders doing some weekend scans today on February the 20th, 2021. And right now I am looking at ticker symbol CTRM on the daily chart over the past year of price history. And I'm going to quickly go through the chart with you and highlight some areas of interest I have found. And hopefully we can develop a nice profitable trade plan to go with it as well. If you do like this video though, please hit that like button. It helps us out a ton. And right back into the chart. So as you can see, this is the daily, and recently the price has crossed above that 50 SMA and 200 SMA. A lot of volume has come in as well the last few weeks, showing a lot of good signs of life and a nice reversal here. So yeah, we've had a nice move up to about 195, the high I believe was, and then a nice pullback. And we did have a pullback in price, but necessarily didn't give up all of its gains, and holding on to some certain areas. So let's zoom in on that. All right, so yeah, this is a nice move. We had the pullback, but we're going to drop it down to more of an intraday chart. Let's do the 10-day, 30-minute, and right here you can kind of see it unfold more. So let's highlight some areas of interest. First things first, I want to highlight this area of the 120s right here. So you can see that in the past over here, a couple of days back, the price had a little bit of a problem getting past that. It kind of struggled around this area, and then overnight we had a nice volume come in. We gapped up, and then the price made a new high at the 195, and then has been pulling back, creating lower highs since then. So we're just going to highlight those lower highs. Here we go. And now this is where you can start seeing the pattern unfold. This is a descending triangle pattern, which is a continuation pattern. I mean, it's going to be continuing the overall trend more than likely. And just a couple of things also wanted to mention again about this 120. In the past it was resistance down here, and it's very common to see resistance broken to the upside and then be back tested as support later on, which is a great sign showing that the bulls are not really letting the price drop below this 120 area and are buying here to hold it and accumulate the price. So what we're going to be keeping our eye on moving forward, we're going to be looking for price volume to increase with a surge of volume at the same time. The area where I'm going to start getting interested in once the price crosses is this 130. You can see there's a couple data points here, here, and here, and here, showing that this was an area of resistance and support previously. So once the price gets past that 130, I'm going to be issuing a buy right there with a first price target at roughly 155, 150. I'll probably be taking some of my profits at 150, roughly about 20 to 30% of my position size. You could take that much or all of your profits, or even half if you'd like. It's not the biggest move, but percentage wise, when you're dealing with a penny stock like this, it is definitely a good idea to lock in some profits. So that right there at the 155, 150 area is our first profit taking area. Second is going to be this 180 here, where again we'll be taking another 20, 30%, or maybe even half the position size off the table there to lock in some gains and then let the rest ride. Now going past that, there's the 195 area. Obviously that was the high. You could choose to take off some there right before that $2 mark. Not a bad idea as well. But interestingly enough, we go back onto that daily chart. Once we get past that $2 area, we could definitely be seeing 260 on the cards right here. Now this is a thin wick, meaning it wasn't traded too much up here, but this data point I think can hold true. So if we go back even farther in our time, we'll go back to the 3-year. You can see that area goes all the way back to right here, where again I mentioned that areas of resistance get back tested as support. In this case, it's areas of support that get broken down, that get retested as resistance. So that 260 area is definitely going to be on a lot of people's eyes. So the 260 area could be your third area of profit taking. Either take off another 20-30% or all of your position size, depending on your own risk management at that point. But definitely an interesting ticker here. A good case for a strong reversal here to test some old highs. Well, traders, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Check us out at tacticaltraders.com, where you can get access to our live 24/7 chat room. Thank you for watching, traders, and until next time, stay profitable.